Hello valued customer. Thank you for choosing Rosenthal Collections for carefully curated products. To achieve the most out of your new round nose pliers, we decided to make this video just for you. Our 5-inch round nose plier is an extremely versatile tool used for making jewelry that are ideal for making extravagant loops. These pliers have multiple bonus features. They're made of stainless steel, which means they're rust-free. They have a box joint, a non-slip grip, a nice tapered tip, and a perfectly narrow round nose. I will show you how to make a close wrap loop using your round nose pliers. First, create a mini loop at the bottom of your wire by clamping the tip of the wire and bending it over until it touches the wire. Now slide your bead down the wire. Clasp the wire above the bead and bend the wire at a 90-degree angle. Next, clasp the top of the elbow and bend the wire into a loop. Take the access wire and wrap it around the neck 3 or 4 times. Then use your side cutter to snip your leftover wire. Now tuck in the end. And there you have it, your first closed wrapped loop. It's that simple and easy. After watching this video, you still have questions, please feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching.